Hi everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the often confusing world of business filings. Today we're diving into the latest report from Yong Bai Chao New Retail Corporation. It's a wild ride, so buckle up because this company's journey is like a reality show where the main character is trying to find a plot. Yong Bai Chao New Retail Corporation, and yes, that is quite the name, is a Nevada company. But don't let that fool you into thinking there's much happening there. The big picture is that this company is basically searching for something to do. They want to merge with another company, buy some assets, or just find some kind of business deal. Right now, they're a blank slate, or as they like to call it, a shell company. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. The company actually started out as a mining operation way back in 2004. Then it switched gears to vehicle emission control devices. And now it's looking for a new direction. It's like they're playing corporate musical chairs, constantly changing their business strategy. And the plot thickens. They wanted to change the company's name to Nongfu Shop Digital New Retail Co. Limited. It looks like they want to rebrand themselves. But for now, we'll keep calling them Yong Bai Chao. Since they are a shell company, that means they are subject to a lot of restrictions. For example, when they eventually issue securities, they will need to put that money in an escrow account. Investors will have a chance to take their money back, so any agreements to buy a business would depend on that money still being available. There is also a very important regulation that they bring up, the Holding Foreign Companies Accountable Act. It basically says that if the US is not able to inspect a company's accounting firm, then the company might be prohibited from being traded. They mention that this is not currently a problem because their accounting firm is inspected, but they warn that this could be a risk in the future. Okay, now let's get to the numbers, the part that really tells the story. On the balance sheets, they have zero assets and $406,453,406,659 of liabilities in the prior year, meaning that liabilities are increasing. Looking at the statements of operations, or as some people call it, income statement for the year, their expenses were about $39,794, so they lost that much money, $4. Keep in mind that they didn't have any revenue coming in. For the previous year, they lost $62,017. It looks like they managed to cut some expenses. As a result of the loss, basic and diluted loss per share, which means profit per share was about zero, not great. As for cash flow, which is a company's ability to generate cash, the company does not give numbers about money coming in or going out. They only mention that the cash paid for interest and cash paid for income tax was zero. Time for a roll call. The report shows a few major players holding a significant chunk of the company's stock. Fei Wang owns 42.3%, Jumping Lu has 14.38%, Environmental Control Corp. Yes, that old name still lingers, holds 11.9%, and Li Yang has 7.4%. Here's where it gets a little cozy. The company is using office space provided free of charge. It's good to keep costs down. The audit fees were $9,000 for the accounting firm KCCW Accountancy Corp for the year. Finally, there was an idea to do a reverse stock split, where 20 shares would turn into 1. This would decrease the number of shares and might increase the price, but they have not done that yet. Now for my take. Yong Bai Chao and New Retail Corporation is in a tough spot. They are basically broke and doing nothing. Their only goal is to find someone to merge with, while the company might find something to merge with. There are also a lot of risks associated, such as new regulations and policies of the government. Ted, there are plenty of better places to put your money right now. Thanks for tuning in to Corporate Decoder. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of corporate filings.